Hey guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable or turn on or off these apps. Now, there's two ways how to actually do this, and I'm going to show you both ways, right? One from the task manager level, and other one you can do it from, let's say, the app level. And I'm going to show you how. So let's start with the basic one that everyone knows, task manager. So I'm on Windows 11. So to quickly access this task manager, I'm going to right click anywhere on my taskbar here and go to task manager. Right now, from here, you will find startup apps. So you click on startup apps on the left side, and here you'll be able to find all your applications. So the ones that you can see that are enabled, these means that the application will start up once my computer start up and log in, right? So you will see that. So these are the ones, and I recommend that you go through the list to find apps that you really don't need to have startup when your computer start, and you can disable those apps on your PC. It's very important. And keep an eye as well on apps that you will see where it's showing that the impact is high. You want to ensure that, hey, if I don't need these apps, let me go ahead and disable them. And it's very easy to disable. You click on the app and you will either find enable or disable right here on the upper right, or you click on the app and you just right click, or you just right click on the app and you will find enable disable as well. And you can do that. So this is how you can go ahead and easily turn it off or on. Now, next way how to do it. Just simply right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and click on install applications. Now, once you're inside the install applications, you can find whichever app that you want. I'm going to choose, for example, Copilot, right? It's a common one that, will start up on your PC. And so to do that, you want to go ahead and click the three dots on the right, go to advanced options. Within the advanced options here, you will find the option runs at login. This also this also ensure that the app will run once you log into your computer. So once you turn it on and you log in, you will have this as well. So if you see that it's on, go ahead and turn it off because it does the same thing as enable disable the background app or run at startup, right? So you basically have that. So you want to turn this off, and you also, if you don't want to have it run in the background as well, see that app runs in the background, you can choose to disable this as well. Both of these helps with your computer performance. If you're not using the app, you don't need it to be running in the background. You don't need to have it run at startup. And I recommend that you basically set these settings, right? So from here, as you can see, background app permissions, you can always set this to never or Pop Optimizer, whichever one you choose, right? But to have it not start up when your computer starts, then you want to ensure that you turn this off, right? So this means that it's on, this means that it's off. And these are the two ways, guys. I really hope you found this useful. And if you do, give this video a like. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, I really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button and looking forward to see you in the next one.